Here I have this puppy incubator. This is wonderful for so many reasons. Firstly being that it's see-through, transparent, so that you can see your animals at any time. Another reason is that it's easily accessible from a variety of ways. The top comes off here. Each side has a latch, and the front here also have a latch so that you can fold it down. Just as easy as that. There are 2 holes on either side, so you can run oxygen lines or anything that you need through one side, and the other side has an air circulation technique. This incubator comes with 2 lights that you can dim up and down to get to the right level, as well as a remote here for the air circulation. It's easy to tell the temperature inside with this temperature gauge here that you can just leave right inside. Not only that, but this also comes with a heating pad that gets up to 141 degrees Fahrenheit and a cover that can go right on top that's super soft and snuggly for your pets. This incubator is odorless, it's easy to wipe down and clean, and your pets will be so happy, warm, and snuggly inside of this incubator.
This incubator is equipped with temperature and humidity detection. The large space and transparent design allows you to observe your pet's situation at any time. It's convenient for cleaning and without any odors that makes pets uncomfortable. This pet incubator has 2 reserved holes, one for air circulation and one for passing through a nebulizer or oxygen tube. This incubator is equipped with a fan that can adjust and control the air circulation. The heat preservation sun lamp is designed with a button that can adjust the size of the light, and you can freely choose the right temperature for your pups.